Hi guys and welcome back to GSM-ABC, and today I'm going to show you how to delete your Instagram account. First thing, go to these three lines, click on Settings and Privacy, and then go to Account Center. Here go to Personal Details, then click on this one and click on Deactivation or Deletion. Now select your profile. Make sure that the check is here on Delete Account and then click on Continue. Here you can state your reasons why you want to delete your account and then again click on Continue. And now again click on Continue. Next you need to enter your password and then again click on Continue. Here you have a message that states on the 12th of October your account will be permanently deleted. You can cancel the permanent deletion process anytime before the process starts. And after that, click on Delete Account. Now you can access your account even if it's not deleted until the 12th of October. Thank you all for watching, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you next time.